What's good, y'all? We back to another banger on the channel. If y'all don't know who I am, I'm Torian. I'm an entertainment channel on YouTube. You can catch me doing reaction videos, vlogs, gaming videos, haircut tutorials, haircut vids, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have a lot more of those coming. A lot of journey videos, cause you know your boy just started his vlogs, you know what I'm saying? I ain't always have vlogs, but yeah, we can post some of those. I already say vlogs, I don't know. You can really catch me doing like all types of different kind of videos, not trying to post the same video over and over and over. Well, I don't post the same video. I never posted the same video over and over and over, but it's just like, I switch it up. I'm a really like versatile channel. All my socials gonna be at the bottom of the screen if y'all wanna follow your boy. I barely even be on my social medias like that, you know what I'm saying? If you know me, I barely even be on my social medias like that, but yeah, you can have at them, you know what I'm saying? You can follow me, you can go add me on Snap, stuff like that. All that stuff gonna be at the bottom of the screen or in the description, you know what I'm saying, for y'all to have that. But don't forget to like the video. Liking the video will push your boy more out in the algorithm, you know what I'm saying? Push my videos out there way more. And last but not least, before we hop into the vid, don't forget to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Join the family, man, join the family. Join the family. But today, man, we got a horror stories animated vid. I know y'all been messing with those vids, you know what I'm saying? They been doing good on my channel, so hey man, your boy keep dropping them, you know what I mean? But yeah, we about to be watching 3 doorbell camera footage horror stories animated, bruh. I never watched this vid, y'all never watched this vid. We finna hop into it together today, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy trying to come with a little bit more energy because, you know, it's still the afternoon right now, so it's not that night, you know what I'm saying, like I usually do. Now let's go and hop into this little video. Story
Babe,
number 1.
are you sure you're gonna be all right?
Come on, Mark. I'm not 6 years old. Stop being so worried.
You know, I would have been there if this sudden meeting didn't come up.
Yes, I know, babe. Don't worry about me. Concentrate on your work and I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks. So, have you unpacked already?
Yeah, mostly everything. Just some vases and antique decor left for unwrapping.
How are your neighbors?
Well, I haven't met anyone yet, but it's a quiet neighborhood, which I really need.
Oh, that's great. Well, listen, I've gotta go now. Take care of yourself. And congratulations on your new house once again. I love you. Bye.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
And the lights out there flickering. I never got why people try to rob houses or get in the houses that got cameras on them, bro. Do you not think you're gonna get caught? Like, are you tripping? I ain't gonna lie to you, to hear that door open while you sleep, that's tough. Not everybody can do that. out here with a little ad. We about to skip this little ad though. Y'all been good? That's what's up. We back into the video.
Open the door.
I ain't opening the door for nobody that say open
What
the
the
door.
hell
like
is
that.
wrong with you?
Just open the door.
You better leave right now.
Please, open the door. Just for a few seconds, please.
Enough! I'm calling the police.
Okay, I was just looking for my dog. My dog Frito.
I don't care. The cops will be here soon.
Well, you don't have to be so rude, honey. I just needed some help.
Leave! Right now! What's your emergency? There's a man outside my house. He's trying to break in. Please, help me.
Okay, ma'am. Don't worry. Just stay inside and lock your doors. The cops are on their way.
And my dog start barking again, bro.
You know, we could be friends.
The cops will be here any minute now.
Oh no, I'm about to make my dog stop barking real quick.
Over yet, honey.
My bad for that, bro. He always start barking when I'm about to record, bro. He got all day to bark, bro. He wanna bark now, bro.
Ma'am, please open the door. This is the police. We're here to help you. Ma'am, you're safe now. Tell us what happened.
This creepy, horrible man was trying to break in.
Okay, you stay here. We will search the entire property. We haven't found anyone. I think he escaped. Can you describe to us exactly how he looked?
I have the footage in my doorbell camera.
Great, show us.
Hey, that man all up in the camera, bro. That's how you get shot, bro. That's how you get lit up. With no remorse.
Okay, I was just looking for my dog, Fido. Don't have to get all like that and stuff, honey.
If you looking for a dog, why are you on somebody's property?
Ma'am, we will find this guy. But I think it would be better if you could stay with a close one, or if someone stays with you until the man gets caught.
This isn't over yet, honey.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. If so, please leave a like. And also, a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you want to support this channel and make this channel reach the 1 million mark, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can change your mind later.
Play through all 9 films in LEGO Star Wars The Skywalker Saga.
Some days it
About to
felt like
skip the second
asthma
one, though.
was
We couldn't
holding me
skip the first
back. But asthma has taken and
We back
Enjoy.
in. We back in. Story number 2.
Don't screw this up. I won't, okay? Last time you panicked and we almost got caught. Fine, I won't. Remember, just let me do the talking. Okay, once he comes out, you just have to jump on him and knock him out. Got it?
Yes. How many times are you going to say the same plan to me?
As long as it doesn't get printed in your brain. Was I dreaming? Who could it be at this hour? Don't you see that? What are you doing?
Sorry, I didn't.
Just stand behind me and be quiet. CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple of questions. May I help you? We are from CPD. We need to ask you a couple of questions. I'm sorry. CPD, we need to talk to you. May you please step to the front door?
Go find a weapon that you
Oh my God. These people are lying. They're telling me that they're from the CPD, but they're standing outside my door with a gun in their hand. Are they planning to rob me?
So, you guys are from CPD, huh? Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please. Can I see a badge? We would like you to step to the door, please. And I don't have to show you my badge. Okay, just give me a second. Okay.
You don't think they would show you a badge if they were actually that, bro?
I will grab him. Shoot him in the face if he tries to do something funny.
Yeah, fine. Just keep quiet.
Holy shit. They're gonna kill me as soon as I open this door.
"911, how can I help you, sir?
Hello? Oh, please send the cops.
What is your emergency?"
2 men are standing outside my door, acting as fake cops. They want me to open the door.
Okay, do not panic. They can't hurt you as long as your door is locked and you remain inside.
No, you don't understand. They have a gun.
Okay. What is your address?
It's Bridge 27, Golf Park, house number 5.
Stay inside. The cops are on their way.
Why is he taking so long?
I don't know.
Do you think he's calling the cops?
Hey, any problem? Is everything all right?
Shit, they've seen us.
Hurry up, we need to leave. You have got to see this, officer. Had I not installed the doorbell cam, I would have been in great danger tonight.
So these are real stories, because they got real footage of it.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door,
I like
please?
how they made this vid. They do like the animation and they show the real footage.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
How you gonna see the camera and do it like that? What in the world?
You have been very lucky, sir. They surely don't look like CPD. We'll take this footage and investigate the identity of those two intruders. Till then, be safe, and don't open the door if you don't know the person knocking. Will they come back again?
Got you another ad, about to skip this little ad. We back in. Story number 3.
I feel so lucky to be your husband.
Stop it. You're making me blush.
No, seriously. I love you. I love our new house. You have made my life complete, Marla.
So have you. Help! Help! Please, help me! Who is that? Please, help me! Please, open the door! Who can that be at this hour?
There's only one way to find that out.
Who is she?
Should we call the cops?
But what if she's just acting like that, so we let her in?
What do you mean?
I mean, we don't even know what her intentions are. Please help me. He's after me.
Ma'am, who is after you?
Please, he'll kill me. Do something.
Fine, just wait there. We're calling the cops.
Just let me in, please. I beg you.
Ma'am, please stay calm. We want to help you. My wife is calling the cops.
911, what's your emergency?
There's a woman outside our house. She's crying for help. I think someone is after her, but I'm not sure if she's telling the truth. Please hurry.
Okay, ma'am. Calm down. The cops are on their way. Keep talking to her. Help will reach you in no time.
Okay. Please, just help me. You don't understand what he is. No, please, no.
Get in the car now!
Oh my God, she was telling the truth. Please stop. Someone help me.
Shut up, you bitch! Let her go! He took her. Follow that car, please. We thought... Sir, please go inside and wait. We will bring her
My
back.
bad if y'all hear somebody cutting grass in the back, man.
She was telling the truth all this time, and we just watched her, doing nothing. I even told you not to open the door. I'm such a horrible person.
Hey! You are not a horrible person. How could you have known? Like you said, it's hard to guess other people's intentions these days.
If something happens to her, I will never be able to forgive myself.
Nothing will happen to her, okay? The cops are going to get that jerk. Come on, let's just go inside.
Is she okay? Did you arrest him? Please tell me she's okay.
Yes, ma'am. That man has been arrested. What was all that? Who was that man? Sir, we would explain everything, but before that, we need some information. Yes, of course. I can see that you have a doorbell camera. Is there any way you have the footage of whatever happened in here?
Yes, we do. Please come in.
Please, no. No, please.
This is the man who tried to kidnap the woman in this footage. His name is Victor, and he's 20 years old. We now have him in custody, and his trial will begin shortly. We need you to come to the station tomorrow and give your valuable statements. We would have to take the footage as evidence, if you don't mind. Absolutely not. Go ahead, officer.
We'll be at the station in the morning.
That was the end of the vid. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Near the end, somebody cutting grass right now. I ain't know that they was gonna start cutting grass, but yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, all my socials gonna be at the bottom of the screen. For y'all that just follow me, add me on my Snap. If y'all want to check out my social medias, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be down in the description and at the bottom of the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, you know what I'm saying? All that gonna help your boy in the future, you know what I'm saying? Just join the family. It's been your boy, man. And we out.